So who do you think will win?
I have an idea. Let them race.
Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez will race?
Yes.
Let's do it. Who do you think will win, boys and girls? Cruz Ramirez or Lightning McQueen? Let's race and find out. All right, boys and girls, we're live at Fireball Beach. We have Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez. We're gonna see which one is the fastest car today. Are you ready, Jonah?
Yes.
On the count of 3, you're gonna lift the switch and let the cars ride. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go. He's going.
And it looks like Lightning McQueen won this race. Whoa! That's race number 1. All right, boys and girls, we're back with another one. Race number 2. Lightning McQueen versus Cruz Ramirez. Which one do you think will win, Jonah?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen?
Yes.
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go.
Looks like Lightning McQueen took it. What happened to Cruz Ramirez? He's upside down. All right, boys and girls, it looks like we're ready for race number 3. Lightning McQueen has won the first 2 races. The first car to win 3 races wins it all. Will this be the final race or the first to a big comeback from Cruz Ramirez? 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go. He's running.
And it looks like Cruz Ramirez won this race. All right, boys and girls, race number 4. Lightning McQueen is up 2 games to 1. Will Lightning McQueen take it or Cruz Ramirez make a remarkable comeback? Only time will tell. Let's find out right now. Jonah, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go.
And it looks like Cruz Ramirez tied it all up. Are you ready, Jonah?
Yes.
All right, on the count of 3, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Looks like Lightning McQueen is your first ever Beach Blast Championship winner.